Should we use microphones? Actually, I'm gonna get the microphones. Okay, it doesn't have to be like sandwich. Hey guys, today we have a special unboxing to share with you. It's a snack box from SEOULBOX. They sent us a box to try out and share with you. We'll leave more information in the description box below where you can get it and all that good stuff. So if you're interested to see some Korean snacks straight from Korea, then keep watching. Right.
I cannot wait to try them.
Here it is. Ooh, and
I thought I saw
comes with a booklet. All right, so the booklet is like really fun facts about Korea and the snacks that are in it. Even has a little sheet you can practice writing Korean. That's really cool.
Ooh.
So make sure you do go through that. It's not just your basic instruction menu. All right, so what do we have here? Finally. Oh, we have been waiting for this for so long. All right, so we got some pizza flavored waffle chips.
I don't know. Yeah, it is waffle chips.
All right.
Never mind.
What?
It's mine.
Cheers. They're like fluffy puffs. I'm not getting pizza though, but they taste good. Very light seasoning, a little bit sweet coming through. I am getting pizza now. A little bit of pizza.
Yeah,
you gotta
me too.
eat a couple. You gotta eat a couple.
Yeah, I ate a couple.
Right, so the pizza's coming through. All right, so now we have these ring snacks. Not sure what flavor it is, but we're gonna find out, huh?
Let's hope it's not spicy because it has the spice color to it.
That's what you go to Korean for, some nice spicy Korean chicken. Oh, that's actually sweet.
I like them.
Yeah, it's got like a sweet coating on it. Like a sugary sweet coating, like more, it's like cinnamon sugar, but more sweet than cinnamon. Oh my gosh. I've been feeling like something sweet. Hubby and I on this water thing, water challenge for a week. Oh, it's not sweet drink. All right.
Seaweed.
Seaweed.
Seaweed. I love seaweed.
Seasoned seaweed. Oopsie. Seasoned seaweed. So I guess, do you just eat this or do you have to put it in a dish?
You just eat it.
You just eat it?
Yep.
You don't. Oh, look, there's a lot of stuff in this. Oh, they put a lot of stuff in here. Oh my gosh. This box is packed.
Oh yeah.
This box.
Me and mom have it good.
Wait. Got your version of Pocky Pretz. That's it.
Oh, this is mom. When
This
she's
smells
cute.
like something Keanu would like. Is it crispy?
See what it tastes like.
No, I think you just kind of sprinkle
Yum.
it. I would put it this way: it tastes like something Keanu would like. It's
Tastes like sardines.
It tastes like seaweed. It tastes like the ocean.
It tastes like
It actually tastes really good. it needs to go with a dish. Like I can see it would sprinkle on top of sushi or something like that. It would come together a lot better. So maybe we'll try and make some sushi, because I do have a sushi making kit that I need to be trying out. All right.
Oh yeah.
Now I definitely need to stop this sweet to watch that dog. Oh man. Yes. Yeah, I was like, did I got Pocky? I said, nope, that's wrong country. So, so these are Pretz.
I think they have chocolate on them.
So they look like they're similar. I don't know why I didn't get my scissors. My scissors are like right there on the shelf. All right.
Oh, nice, and they're not broken up.
Yeah. Wait, we got. They taste different than Pocky. Pocky is more cookie.
Yeah. And this is more
This is
jam.
more balanced. Yeah, this is more balanced between the two. All right. Probably shouldn't have started this hungry, but we are. We should probably not be talking with food in our mouth. So what is this? It feels like something jelly. Can't understand what it says though. Fun fact, I used to take Korean. At one point, we were wanting to take Korean, learn how to speak Korean. And we were really into the food and stuff. Well, this is like a chocolate marble cake, a fish. That looks like one of the cute little snacks you see in lunch boxes. Ooh, look at that. It's got like a sweet filling type of deal going on. Here, I want to give you part of the filling, but it's like a jelly cake. Ooh.
That's like so good.
Got coconut in it. I'm trying to think of the filling. It's almost like sugar and gel.
Can I eat that?
Like no?
It's like so good.
Yeah, almost like a jam, but more dried out.
Man, now I need to go to Korea and get that. Pie.
Okay, Jeju Udu Peanut Cholito something pie.
Cholito, Mom.
No, first of all, it's pronounced in Korean language. So, I know enough to know that it's pronounced a little different.
One huge.
All right.
Whoa, that kind of looks like
look at that.
It kind of looks like a giant Reese cup.
Gosh.
Oh.
That's all right, because I got a vacuum anyway. It looks like a moon pie.
Yeah.
With peanut butter in it. Ah,
Oh
crap.
my god.
Yeah, it's like a marshmallow in it. Hold on, Connor. Ah. Not a peanut butter moon pie. More chew.
Okay.
Oh.
Thank you.
Probably just put that in my mouth one time. Alright. Next is this something mini. Oh look. It's got a dock on it. Alright.
Wow, that is like so small.
Alright. Yeah, it's that mini. So let's see if we could break it. Ooh. Looks like a chocolate nougat. Okay, let's bite it. Now I want all the chocolate to fall off of it. Yeah, like a nougat. That's good. There we go. That one is chewing. We're chewing all in everybody's ear. Alright, so now we got these. It's in Korean, so I'm not sure what they are. But let's open them up to find out.
No splitting, right?
Ooh, they're like tortilla chips that you put on soup.
Thank you.
We're supposed to eat together, Kiara. Tastes like a mild corn chip. Mixed with a pork skin. It's almost like a caramel coating on it, like a thin, very thin, some sort of sweet coating on it. Oh look, we got two. We didn't have to break it. We didn't have to break it. Let me try biting it. That works a lot better. Get the onion taste.
Warning, it might be spicy.
Not spicy. Just tastes like onions. It's not like they bite like onions.
Yeah.
Alright, rice cake. Oh, rice. Non-fried rice caker. Alright, one.
Oh, there's two.
Yep, one for you and one for me. There you go. Cheers to you. Tastes like a rice cake but blended up, so it's not so hard.
Tastes
Got a nice flavor to it too. So here's a tastes like a batter flavored rice cake, but still mild like a rice cake, but a better flavor.
Oh, there's two.
Yeah, oh look at that. They're like two of each of most of this stuff.
Yeah.
I think you gotta cut this one because it's got the
No, you don't.
wow, this one's tense. I got mine open before you did. What is it though? You gotta name the name. I guess the crackers. It's got like a sugar salt coating. Not too sweet. Yeah, you can taste it sweet, but don't really get the salt.
Yeah. These are
Alright.
yummy. The picture.
This looks like a chocolate wafer cookies and cream bar. Some tastes like a dark chocolate. Not too dark, but darker than milk chocolate. Cookies and cream. Tastes really good. A skin mask. When skin immunity is weakened, supply of nutrients applied to skin moisturizing removal of harmful oxygen. VivaCosmetic.co.kr by Vivace Cosmetics. So we'll try this out. Alright, so this looks like some sort of kiwi mochi gelatin snack, but it's Korean, of course. Ooh, they're like little gummies. No, it's supposed to taste together.
I can definitely taste the kiwi.
They're soft. They're not like chewy. They're gummy, you know, but they're soft gummy.
Yeah.
I know, son. I've been feeling like sweet. I've been starved. So I guess these are instant kombucha.
Kombucha.
It doesn't have instructions. I think I saw it in the manual. Like something about kombucha. Oh, look, they're all here. I should have have kombucha. All right, so here we go. Kombucha highball is a non-alcoholic beverage made by combining equal parts of tonic water and your favorite kombucha. Ooh, excuse me, over ice. Yep, so you just put it in some water with some ice cubes and lemon wedges or mint for garnish. So, yeah, it says boosts energy, antioxidants, helps weight loss, and all that good stuff. So we will try that. Oh, look, here we go for the also for the sushi, the seasoned seaweed. You put it around like the gimbap. So now we got this lightsaber keychain, which is cute. I like this box. It had more snacks than we thought it would, and it's very, very thoughtful, unique. It's got, all right, so does it light up? I like that. It's like a nice, little bit small for my hand, but so there you go. That's yours.
Thank you.
It's for kids anyways. I got a big wrist.
Yeah.
It's a perfect accessory for cool K-poppers like you. SEOULBOX thinks it is so good that it deserves to be on God's menu.
Can I put this up in my book bag?
It doesn't light up though? How does it light up? Oh, maybe it's glow in the dark. Is it glow in the dark? Do you push it? Pop it. Squeeze it. Push it. Bop it.
I think it is glow in the dark.
Okay, well I guess we'll have to figure that out later, but that is a nice keychain. And it's decent quality, it's good quality. Got the hook, got the keychain, wristband, and a cute little key thing. So it's big enough for you to find.
Yep.
All right, so that is all the snacks. Oh,
What happened?
the end has come. Where are the snacks? So thank you so much for joining us. Let us know which was your favorite snacks in the comments box below. If you like these snack boxes from different countries, you want to see more Korean snack boxes, anything like that, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might enjoy this type of content. Information on this SEOULBOX again will be in the description box below and in the pinned comment, so you can find it really easy. Thanks again so much for joining us, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.